Hey guys, it's Outcast and good morning to y'all, and I'm back to make another quick little video on the VAC. No, I know I don't own this. It's at my house right now. As y'all can see, it's at my house. Shut the fuck up, geese. Ugh. Well, this is gonna be my cold start. It's been sitting overnight. As y'all can see, it's been frosted. Tire's a little soft. Fuck, I gotta pump with that tire sometime. They got a fucking gash in it. Huh. Hope that does not go flat later. I'm gonna be fucked. But no gas turner, nice and easy. Choke out. Throttle down. That on. There we go. Let's just die on me. She's cold. She don't not want to stay down. I was choking it. Try it one more time. Dirty bastard. I want to get it running. There we go. There she goes. Yeah, she's definitely still cold. I shut her off that time. She's too cold. Turn the gas back off for school. Right, that's off. Yep, that's off. Yep, guys, this is Outcast. This is cold start on the KHVAC. She's still cold. She's still very cold. Cut the grill straight back on. Wait a minute. How the hell did I get on there? I gotta get that stuff off there. That's from the old pipe that was on this. Look at the frost. Look at the frost. There's frost everywhere. Even my geese turned white. Alright guys, see y'all later.